Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how you can use Cash App even if you don't have a linked bank account. Many people think that Cash App requires a bank connection to work, but the truth is you can still send, receive, and spend money directly within the app. When you sign up for Cash App, you're given a Cash App balance where funds can be stored. If someone sends you money, it will appear in your Cash App balance immediately, and you can use that balance without ever needing to connect a bank. To access your funds, Cash App provides a free cash card, which is a Visa debit card linked to your balance. You can use this card anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in physical stores, or even withdraw cash from ATMs. If you want to add money without a bank, you can load funds onto Cash App using paper money deposits at participating retail stores like Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS. Simply generate a barcode in the app, present it at the cashier, hand over the cash, and the money will instantly appear in your Cash App balance. Now, keep in mind, without linking a bank account, your Cash App may have some limitations. For example, unverified accounts can only send and receive smaller amounts per month. To unlock higher limits, Cash App will require identity verification, though this does not mean you must link a bank. So in short, Cash App can work perfectly fine without a bank account. You can receive money, spend it with your cash card, withdraw at ATMs, and even load cash directly at stores, all without ever needing traditional banking. Subscribe the channel for more videos.